Hello guys, today I'm going to be sharing a super short makeup tutorial. It's going to be how to look good fast just using 3 products. 3? Yes, 3 products. So do you have those days where you seriously have absolutely no time but you need to get ready super short, maybe like 5 minutes, maybe even less? You want to look good every time, right? On your Zoom call, on video call, or even just doing a story. And you can do this in just those 3 short steps. And all the products going to be mentioned in the link below. All the links are going to be for the products and also some of the products that my favorite. So 3 products. Does that sound to be too good to be true? Well, let's go see it. Hello and welcome to another episode of Beauty by Sophia B. How to look good in 3 short steps. Just using 3 products, is it possible? Yes, it is, and I'm going to show you how. And you will always look and feel confident in your videos. Only 3 products, and this is going to be the foundation, the cream blush that actually a multiple type of product, and I'm going to show you how I use it. Mascara. So those 3 products will help you to prepare you for the day, for saving time, especially if you're a mom of a small child or children, just to tint your brows. The best part about this foundation, you just use it your fingers. You don't need to use a sponge because this is a foundation that really can just be, can apply it everywhere. Make sure you go down your neck, and if your chest is going to be exposed, definitely continue. Mascara is a must. Opens up your eyes. One-stop shop kind of deal. So this is going to be your eyeshadow, it's going to be your blush, and it's going to be your lips. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to be anything else. Then I'm going to put a little bit right here. Right here. Same thing right here. See, just giving a little bit of definition, especially like I have hooded eyes. So it gives definition. And this is the sponge. And what we're doing, smile, and just adding the blush. Such an invaluable product. And just using 3 products, I really hope it was useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in my videos. And I will try to do the same thing if you are a YouTuber as well. Thank you so much, and I will guys see you next time.